Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode 24. Let's go to the charts. As of yesterday, we launched the time of day robot, and basically we set it, I believe, about 9 a.m. Eastern to enter a buy and a sell trade, and it did that. And then I also told the robot to every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time to balance those trades. So if there was a buy and a sell open yesterday and the buy closed.
Now, after watching this Random Forex Trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit forexbits.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
There would still be a sell open the next day, so it would then just balance the trades and it would create an equal and opposite buy trade. That's exactly what has been done. If we go over to the account history, the last trade was a buy. The last trade that closed was a buy at 0.05 lot size GBP USD. That's what we're trading this automated robot on. And it took a profit of $2.50. So what happened there? What actually happened was the price moved up on this buy order. It started to go into profit, and I had told the robot to set a break even. If we look at the settings real quick, the break even is right here. I told it that at 20 pips up into profit to set the break even at 5 pips. That's exactly what it did. The price moved back and it took a $2.50 profit on that buy trade, and the sell trade never closed, because you can look here if you look at the sell from yesterday on the 16th, because what happened at 9 a.m. Eastern time this morning, on the 17th here, it went ahead and balanced the trades. It opened a buy at 0.05. Now, what's interesting is it's hard to see with these particular colors is the price pretty much came back all the way to our original buy and sell trade area from yesterday. So we're in that original sell, as you can see, and it entered a new buy trade. Now, the sell trade from yesterday is actually $13 in profit. So what that means is the break even has been set. If the price moves back, it'll take that roughly $2.50 profit. Otherwise, if it runs, you can see that we've got a take profit down here of $120. However, it's probably not going to get that far because I told the EA itself in the settings to take profit at $50. So it's going to take profit at $50 before it ever hits the take profit. So that's just the settings that we're doing right now. And again, this is right in line with the concept and what we're doing here, which is random trades. One thing we will do moving forward is we will tweak these settings based off of what's been happening. So it's called, when you're using an EA or a Forex robot, it's called forward testing. That's how I like to do it. A lot of people do back testing and they run the robot on back tested data, and they maybe even do what's called curve fitting. So they just keep tweaking the settings until it gets profitable. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today. And then you put it on a chart, and moving forward, it's not profitable. So there is a happy medium that you get to figure out, which is done through forward testing, basically testing it on an account and tweaking the settings. I feel pretty good with it right now. I'm not going to tweak anything. What I will do moving forward is we want to set this based off of our feeling, based off of what's been happening. We want to set this to be able to take more profit per trade. That means increasing the lot size, certainly probably telling it to take profit at a higher amount, setting our take profit higher, those types of things. Maybe setting some tighter trailing stops. But right now it's actually looking really good. Today's buy trade is in the negative $42. Yesterday's sell trade is up $19. If it moves back on us, that means that it's going to take profit because we're at a break even already. And then, of course, it's Friday right now, so the market doesn't open again until Sunday night. And Monday morning, this thing would go ahead and rebalance the trades. If the buy is still open, it will open a sell trade on Monday. So let's let this play out. And again, this is random. This is absolutely random, but this is random now with automation. And I think it's pretty cool to watch. Some people might call this boring, but I love this type of trading because it's automated. It's set it, forget it, watch it, walk away. And so far we've been profitable, although it's only a $2.50 profit. How would you make more money in that concept? You simply bid more. That's it. And of course, keep it inside your account size and your margin limits. So that's it for this episode. Let's let it play out and we will see the exact results in the next episode. I'll see you then.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit forexbits.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.